those on the GEE app, those who are using the GEE, sorry, there is a trick. So you can see that every day you have to watch 15-minute videos of GEE.
This banana bread is made for chocolate lovers. Trick.
After watching your first 3 minutes or first 1 minute, when you come to where the rocket is, you'll be seeing that when it loads, after it loads, you'll be seeing some boosting, the green button that is coming here, and they'll ask you to what? Speed up for 7 minutes. So this one, it will, after you've watched the AD, it will boost up 7 minutes, making it total of 8 minutes out of 15. All right, so after, if you have the time to watch all the rest of the videos, then you watch. If you don't have, you go back and come in 1 hour. Then after coming, you'll be seeing that you'll be watching some 2 minutes video back. Then you, like, if you watch 2 minutes video, then you come back to the rocket, you'll be seeing that another speed up will be added to it. Then you watch the AD, then you claim your GEE. But I want to teach you some other claims that you can get from the GEE. So this one I claim it for free. This one to up to the Bitcoin. Alright, so kindly have a look at this. When you come to this portion where you see the GEE door start audition, when you tap there, they have another bonuses that they are giving there. So this one, I've claimed the Shiba for today. So you'll be seeing, when you open that portion, you'll be seeing play here, play, and you tap on it, you'll be seeing that a certain NFT will come. Some ones are lady, others one are guy. It depends. So after it loads everything, you'll be seeing that it will some certain guy will be coming dancing, or girl. Tap on that toy and your reward will be given. Either it fails or success, you will still be getting paid. So after 1 hour, come back to this portion. When you come back to that portion, this place again, you'll be seeing that here will change to AD. When you watch the AD, after watching the AD, it will change to play. Then you click on the play and you get your dog coin for free. After 1 hour, when you come, that's how. So later 1 hour, when you come, here will be turned to AD. After watching the AD, you go to play. Then you claim your Litecoin up to where you can earn for the day. Alright, so thank you for being with Dice Crypto. So now I'll be clicking on this one and you have a look at this. Alright, so after everything is done, you go to this portion, then you close it, you close your AD. Then now you can see that it has boosted to 8 minutes. some people can get the time to watch it fully, or others can also exercise that patience. And so this one, I can choose to watch the videos and claim my bonuses, or I can choose to use the ADs without wasting much time. So thank you very much for being with Dice Crypto. Please, if you are not part of this project, please kindly register. I will be leaving the link in the description box. And when they send you email verification code, please check. Those using Android, check in your spam box. Those using the Apple, please, I think the iPhone are not available for now, but those who, yeah, so you check in your what they call it, your spam box. You'll be getting your email verification code there. Thank you very much for being with Dice Crypto. Please kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment, and also share for other people to benefit from this project. Thank you once again.